Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I want to share with you some of the accessories that I got in my most recent Happy Planner squad box. Thank you to Happy Planner for sending me these. These are all part of the fall release, so it goes live on the Happy Planner website on September 9th at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And on the website, you can find out what stores will be carrying which things that you are interested in. So this is my accessories video. I have a full unboxing of my first Happy Planner squad box, as well as videos of some of the different collections and sticker books and things like that. So be sure to check them all out on this channel and see some details of everything I got. I will link everything down below. Heads up, those will be affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it does go a long way to supporting this channel. All right, if you're interested in checking out some of these accessories, let's go. All right, first up, I got a couple of different sets of Happy Notes. First, a mini Happy Notes. Let me just open this one right here. This one says, "Look to the stars," and it has lined paper. It is super pretty. Let me pull this off. All right, lined layout. It has these zodiac signs on it. So elements of the zodiac right there. And then just your lined paper, a little bit of detail. Second one, more zodiac signs. And then our last one, perfect for taking notes on the go, or maybe being able to switch this out with your mini Happy Planner. So that is my first mini Happy Notes. And then I also got a Happy Notes that is a classic size in the Marble Faith line. I do have a full flip through of all of the Faith products that I received in a separate video, so make sure to check that out. This one, absolutely gorgeous with all of the different dividers. So those are the two Happy Notes I got. Let's see what other accessories I have. These are removable decals seasonal. So these are great if you have a dry erase board, and my family does have a dry erase board that lives in kind of our family command center. So these will be perfect. You have the Christmas ones, including a countdown till Christmas, which is super cute. And then, oh, these are like things to do, like Christmas bucket lists. That's cute. You can let the kids help put those out on the dry erase board. Here's the Halloween themed. That is adorable. We have Thanksgiving in autumn. Here we have Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. I like the seasonal ones. That'll be fun to decorate for sure. Easter, spring. That is super cute. And then summer with the grilling, and more summer, and then some of the big holidays. Not all, but some of them. All right, so those are the removable seasonal decals, which I think will be super fun, especially for my kiddos to use to help decorate our family calendars. I also got the Snap-in Soft Planner cover. So this is like a gray, maybe like a taupe, not totally gray, like a taupe color, and it snaps in. It's a soft cover. It feels very nice, and it has kind of this dot pattern on it, if you can see that, sewn on the sides. Very professional looking, very classic looking. Great if you like your planner to be very simple on the front. This would be great for like a work planner for sure. Love that. So the Snap-in Soft Planner cover, I do think that they have this in a couple other colors, so make sure to check that out. I received, this is Merry and Bright. This is the Christmas companion pack. So with the companion packs this time around, they are giving you these pouches, which are adorable with the poinsettias, and I like the pops of pink with the Christmas. That is super cute. This is classic size companion pack, Merry and Bright, beautiful folder, great for holding your Christmas cards that you receive. That'd be cool from year to year. Okay, let's see what we have in our companion pack. You have some snap-in envelopes. Oh, I love the poinsettias and then the lights. And then it says, oh, what fun. This would be great for budgeting, for holding receipts as you are doing your Christmas shopping. That's awesome. Then some filler paper. You have gift lists. That's great. So you can brainstorm and then you can say when it's purchased and if it's wrapped. Let's see if that is all. No, you have the gift list and then you have some beautiful filler paper with the stars. That is gorgeous. Maybe for memory keeping in the month of December. I like that a lot. Super cute. So you have those, the envelopes. Let's see what is on this side. I actually do a whole separate planner for the month of December, so these will be fun to add in. You get a couple of pages of stickers, which are adorable. A snap-in folder that says Merry and Bright. Some vision boards, which I think is so great. This one looks so feeling festive. This would be great for memory keeping in your planner or kind of setting your vision for December or maybe some intentions for December. I think that'd be great to include. And then you have this dry erase board or this wet erase board to buy, to make, remember, to do today. You just use your wet erase marker to write on it. Use it as the divider in your planner. That is super, super cute. So that is the Christmas companion pack. And you get that cute little pouch too. I love that. Then I have never seen, I could be wrong, I haven't seen a big size companion pack before. And this is for the Love for Letters line, which I loved last year. I'll definitely be purchasing another letter planner this year. This is all about hand lettering. So you get this cute little pouch. I love, love, love these pouches. And it says, lovely letters, pretty words, happy heart. Big size. Look at this. So some beautiful snap-in envelopes. Too many ideas, not enough time. Oh, I like that a lot. Dream, create, inspire, and love letters. Those are beautiful. And then we have some paper right here. Hand lettering practice templates. So look at, this is cool because you can practice kind of bending your letters and doing some different arrangements. See how they did right here, some in the circles, some across, and you can practice like phrases in these different kind of templates right there. That is cool. And then in the back, you also have individual letter practice, which I love. I love as well. So that is super cool. Okay, I totally dig those. I like those templates a lot. I think that is super cool and helpful. And then on this side, let's see what we got. We have a couple of sticker sheets you can use. This, they're going to call it a vision board, but it looks like practice. This is your basics. This is like a reference sheet, which is nice because it's made of cardstock. So it'd be good to stick in the front of your planner just as reference. Practice your name here. That is very cute. And then you have a snap-in pocket folder, write your own story, and a large divider that is good. It's, again, it's wet erase, but good for lettering practice kind of on the go. And you can practice some different quotes. That's fun. I like the quotes on that one. That is super cute. I loved the lettering planner last year, and several of you have asked me about it. So make sure I will link the whole lettering line. Go and check it out and grab it before it sells out. So this is the companion pack to the lovely letters. The last accessory I received is this undated daily planner extension. So I received the big sized daily planner. It's from the Papillon line. And I wanted to show you this because the daily planner has a lot of color to it on each page. The extension pack, on the other hand, is very neutral. Grays, just a few dots. It is super neutral. So if you are wanting a big sized daily planning sheet, you may want to pick up the extension pack because it's going to give you 3 months of pages and you're going to be able to have that really, really neutral look so that if you're wanting to decorate, it'll be easy to do so. All right, you guys, so those are some of the accessories that I received as part of my Happy Planner Squad box. Again, these go on sale on September the 9th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Happy Planner website. On the website, you'll be able to click on each product, and then it'll tell you on that product page if it's going to be sold at Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, some place like that. So you can be sure to check that out. I know that they are going to be running some discounts on that day, so I will share that information below. I will link these things below. Make sure to check out all of the other different squad unboxings because everyone got different stuff, so you'll want to check it out. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to my Scrappy YouTube members. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you're interested in finding out more about Scrappy YouTube membership, then make sure to click the join button or check the link in the description below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.